For this video in the Pharmaceutics video series, we will be showing you how to make drug polybase blend suppositories. When you're doing the calculations, always calculate for extra suppositories. In this case, we are making 3 suppositories, but we are going to calculate the amount of drug needed to make 5. This ensures that you have enough to pour for the 3 suppositories. The first thing you are going to want to do is gather all of your materials. You will need Q-tips, an evaporating dish, a glass thermometer, mineral oil, glycerin, a rubber spatula, metal spatulas, and glass stirring rods, a hot plate, a glass beaker, a suppository mold. For the molds that we have in our lab, each cavity holds around 2 grams of drug, polybase, calamine powder. For demonstration purposes, we are going to say that our drug is a hydrophobic drug, sheets of foil to use to wrap the suppositories, and an electronic balance. Make sure you calibrate the balance before using it. For step 2, you are going to clean all of your glassware and your workstation. For step 3, go ahead and start boiling water in the glass beaker to use as your water bath. Step 4 is weighing the drug and the polybase. Zero your balance with the weighing paper and go ahead and weigh out your drug. Weigh out the polybase. Make sure to zero the balance with the weigh boat. For step 5, you are going to lubricate the suppository mold. It's very important to remember that the lubricant you use is dependent on the drug that you are using in the prescription. If the drug is hydrophobic, then the vehicle you use to suspend the drug must be hydrophilic. The reason for this is so the drug will be released from the vehicle when inserted into the person's body. Since the polybase vehicle is hydrophilic, the lubricant must be hydrophobic. Add 1 drop of mineral oil to every other suppository cavity. Use a Q-tip to spread the mineral oil throughout each suppository cavity. Even if you are not using all of the cavities, it's a good idea to lubricate all of them, just in case you close the mold and forget which side you started on. For step 6, you are going to combine the drug with the polybase. First, you have to levigate the drug. Since our drug is hydrophobic, we will be using glycerin as the levigating agent, which is hydrophilic. Place the evaporating dish with the polybase on the water bath. Continuously stir the polybase until it is fully melted. Add your drug to the melted polybase. You may need to use a metal spatula with a rubber spatula to get all of the drug into the evaporating dish. Continuously stir the mixture until it is fully melted. For step 7, you are going to fill the suppositories. Remove the evaporating dish from the water bath and go ahead and pour the mixture into the suppository mold. Slightly overfill each cavity. Place your suppositories in the refrigerator to harden. Step 8 is removing the suppositories and wrapping them. Get your suppositories from the refrigerator and scrape the excess off the top of the mold. Open the mold and remove the suppositories. They should appear smooth and free of any air pockets. Now we will show you a demonstration on how to wrap a suppository. Place your suppository into the foil and fold the foil slightly before the halfway point. Fold in the ends of the foil. Go ahead and roll the rest of the suppository using the remaining foil. And there you have it!